So, first thing first, we should take out the info given. P is 12,300, K is 0.135, M is 2, and as we all know, we must to find T. So, let's start our calculation. After we take out the info, we must write the formula, which is S equal to P in bracket 1 plus K per M power by MT. And then, we must substitute the number into formula. We want to find out how long it takes for her investment to double in value, which is her investment S equal to 2P, double in value. And at here, we must to use logarithm to find out the T. So, the final answer is 5.31 years or 5 years and 3 months. So, for this question, let's take out the info given. P is 20,000, K is 0.075, M is 4, and T is 5. We also can calculate the N and I first. N is 20, I is 0.075 over 5. After we take out the info, we should write the formula first, and after that, substitute the info into the formula. And the final answer should be 28,998 ringgit 96. For the next question, we also need to take out the info given. P is 28,998 ringgit 96 cent. K is 0.08. M is 4. Because we need to find another 2 years. So T is 7 minus 5 equals to 2. After we take out the info, we should write the formula first, and after that, substitute the info into the formula. And the final answer should be 28,998 ringgit 96 cent.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Haikal Nur Iman bin Muhammad Azmida Afandi. So let's get through to the question 2 part A. For question A, 5 years ago, Ahmad deposited 50,000 ringgit into an account that earns 5% interest compounded monthly. Today he plans to add Y ringgit to the account. Find the value of Y if he wants to have 45,000 ringgit in the account 10 years from today. First step, we need to list out all the values given. Second, we need to find amount for the first 5 years by using compound interest formula, which is S equal to P bracket 1 plus K over M bracket the power of MT. Then, we use the formula by insert the values given to get the amount for the first 5 years. Then, we get 19,215 ringgit 38 cent. To find Y, we use the same formula. We have the value of S, which is 45,000 ringgit, and the interest rate is still same. But for P, we use amount for the first 5 years plus Y. And T is 10 years regarding to the question. And for Y, we get 15,634.70 ringgit. For question B, Zaliha invests 7,000 at an interest rate of 6.4% compounded monthly for the first 6 years and 6% compounded every 4 months for the next 4 years. Find the maturity value and the total interest earned by Zaliha at end of her investment. First, we need to find amount for the first 6 years by using compound interest, which is S equal to P bracket 1 plus K over M bracket the power of MT. Then we use the formula by insert the values given. Then we solve to get the final answer for the amount first 6 years. And for 4 years later, we use the same formula. But for P, we use the amount that we get from the first 6 years earlier. Then we solve to get the maturity value and we label as S2. And for total interest, we use formula I equals to S minus P. Then we insert the value. The total interest we get is 6,022.46.
To find R, we know that The clue given is a loan. So, loan has been given A, so we need to find R. So, A is 215,000, K is 0.048, T is 25 years, M is 12, and I is 0.048 divided 12, and is 12 multiplied with 25, we got 300. To search for R, we need to insert the formula for the loan, which is A equal R open bracket 1 minus open parenthesis 1 plus I close parenthesis negative N divided I close bracket. We got A 215,000 divided with open bracket 1 minus open parenthesis 1 plus 0.048 divided 12 close parenthesis negative 300 divided 0.048 divide 12 and close the bracket. Final answer that we got is 1432.49. To search for question 1b, we know that we must use the exact information but search for a new n and a. So, the new n is 300 minus 288 and r is 1432.49 and I is 0.048 divided 12. After write down all of this, insert the same formula which is A equal R open bracket 1 minus open parenthesis 1 plus I close parenthesis negative and divided I close bracket. So A equals 1432.49 open bracket 1 minus open parenthesis 1 plus 0.048 divided 12 close parenthesis negative 12 divided 0.048 divide 12 close bracket. Then the answer we got, we must multiply it with R, which is 1432, and we got the answer is 16,751.16.
Okay, Part B, question 2. Alicia borrowed 25,000 ringgit to buy a sofa set. She agreed to settle the loan in 24 monthly payments at 4.8% compounded monthly. Question A, find the monthly payment and the total interest charge. And question B, if she fails to pay the first 5 payment monthly, find the amount that she must pay on the 6th payment to settle the outstanding arrears. Okay, first thing first, let's highlight the important key in the question. Okay, for question A, because we want to looking for a monthly payment, we need to use the present value formula for annuity. Important key of the question. A equal to 25,000, K equal to 0.048, M equal to 12, T equal to 2, and R, let's be looking for R. So we got R equal to 1,094 ringgit 52 cents as a monthly payment for this question. Okay, so let's look for the interest. So interest equal to total paid amount minus A amount, which is the amount that she borrowed. So total paid amount can be counted with R, the monthly payment, with an M and T. And M is a month in a year and T is a year. So it's gonna be total pay equal to 1,094 ringgit 52 cents multiplied by 12 and multiplied by 2. The amount is gonna be 268 ringgit 48 cents. So the interest is gonna be 26,268 ringgit 48 cents minus 25,000 ringgit, and we got finally the interest is 1,268 ringgit 48. For the question B, we want to find amount that she must pay if she want to settle the outstanding area in the sixth payment. If she didn't pay the first 5 payment, so we're gonna use the compounded formula combined with the annuity formula to find the first 5th payment, 5th month. So first thing first, let's summary all the thing that we need to know. R is equal 1,094 ringgit 52 cents based on the A question. K is equal 0.048 and M is equal to 12. Let's do this. So the answer we got for the first 5 months is 5,538 ringgit 62 cents. This is the amount that she should pay for the first 5 months, but she didn't pay. So using this, we can find the total payment. Total payment is equal to the first 5 month added to the 6 month payments. So 5,538 ringgit 62 cents, adding up with the 1,094 ringgit 52 cents, and we got the final answer 6,633 ringgit 14 cents. And that's all. Bye bye.